Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the city creation. In this basically we are discussing about the Jesus family structure basically. So see basically Jesus family structure is see basically this is the structure of Jesus family basically. See basically this is the family structure of Jesus Christ basically. See basically so this is the Jesus Christ family structure basically. So lots of people says that whenever this happens, that means Christmas is the time basically. That time basically this type of thing basically happens, and hundred plane basically get cash basically. That means Jesus Christ also basically is know that basically the Asian land is basically very powerful basically. That means one of the person literally asked the question here basically. He don't like USA. He don't like Europe. He don't like Italy. He don't like Dubai. He don't like Dubai basically. He don't like Germany. He don't like that basically because he literally comes basically with his family in basically in Asia land basically. One of the question basically literally asked by the one of the person basically. Then he told that basically he don't like basically Jesus family basically. Then he told that yes, yeah basically. So actually this was the problem basically. That is all death basically of the earth planet set of words basically combination basically. This is the thing basically. So he told that basically Mumbai basically will end one day basically with the help of this word basically. And this word basically Jesus Christ family basically have. And that's why basically every time basically in Christmas time basically he comes with his family in Asia land basically. But in Asia land where that basically we can't track basically. That means Jesus Christ also know basically that these all words basically are created by Oxford group, that is this group. University of Oxford. This is that basically. This group basically, that means one of the person asked the question basically. This group basically is created by Jesus Christ family, because Jesus Christ family means this family. This family, and this family is I think old, very when this basically might be got the birth basically. So that also we will see. Just a minute. Date of birth basically. So see basically which kind of birth, date of birth basically is given. So how many years basically has happened of Jesus Christ first birth basically. Currently which birth basically is going, that basically is very difficult to track. So just see basically up to what level Jesus Christ families are also basically. That means he don't like USA, he don't like UK, he basically don't like Italy, he don't like Germany. That is the basically directly basically one of the person told directly only basically. Every time basically comes in Asia country, Asia land basically, whenever basically the land is going to divide basically. That means one of the person asked the question basically. So the Italy is that land basically where this set of words basically have set of words basically, that is this Oxford University basically have that basically word which is 100% basically going to take entire Mumbai city under the water. That is the Italy country basically who basically say that basically our city daily basically goes underwater with the help of that set of words, and that word basically they keeps on changing also, and that is this family. So one of the person asked basically the question basically, why you are telling this whole thing basically, yeah. Then one of the friends told that basically, Jesus Christ family basically, you want to say that this family basically, this family basically, this family, they have the list basically of this word basically, this word. Then he told that yes, basically they have the word, and on the basis of that word, basically, then one of the Maharashtrian person asked the question basically, have you given this paper to anybody else basically? He was basically assumed that basically he's from Chhatrapati Shivaji family basically, because that family is controlling the Maharashtrian basically, that is Mumbai basically. He asked actually this, have you basically given this paper to anybody else basically? Then Sunil R Nair told that basically where basically I taken the printout, there basically I have that word basically. So again basically just taking as an example, really basically, because which kind of people basically will get afraid by this paper type, this paper will get leak, who will get effect, because Maharashtrian basically is controlled by the Chhatrapati Shivaji family basically. Lots of people says that basically, really basically it's correct or not, or that basically I don't know basically. So you find basically from where basically I have taken this printout, so you will know basically. So one of the person told that basically, why you taken printout from that place only basically. One of the Chhatrapati Shivaji family basically asked basically, why you had taken this printout physically from that place. Then he told that basically that was Vidhi, destiny basically, that somebody told that basically you go there and only basically take the printout basically. So Shivaji family, Chhatrapati Shivaji family will go there and basically will say basically, where is that printout basically. One of the person, Sunil R Nair, basically came here and he actually taken the printout. Where is that printout basically? Just tell me basically. Then he told that basically, no, I don't know basically. Then he will start moving the camera basically. That at what time basically this print was. Then he will connect to the printer department basically. That basically in the New York City basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically that is really, it's in New York City basically. It's in New York City only basically. Then basically he will ask the, he will say that basically yes, basically this printout basically is very dangerous. It will finish the entire Mumbai city just within 1 second basically. Because 5 crore people will connect to that word basically, which will interact and that's why basically sometimes sea water literally basically literally basically gets into the land basically. That experiment basically the Italy groups basically are doing, and that basically is few people says that basically that is connected with the Jesus Christ. Hence few people basically tells that also basically that Jesus Christ family and few Jesus Christ group basically are connected with the Swaminarayan group also basically. Then he told that how basically that is connected here basically. That means Hindu are basically connecting with Jesus Christ. That's why basically the Jesus Christ basically every time basically comes to Asia land basically. Then he told that basically that need to check basically how the Swaminarayan group basically are connected with the Jesus Christ basically. And Swaminarayan, that means by default Krishna Bhagwan God basically. That is a Thakur group. Then he told that yes basically. Yeah. That means you want to say that Thakur group and the Sri Ram group and the Hanuman groups all are connected. That's why basically he every time basically comes to the Asia land basically, whenever basically this is going to happen, this thing basically, yes, whenever this thing is going to happen, that time basically he literally comes to the, this family basically literally comes to the Asia land basically. So one of the person asked the question here basically, that means Asia country don't like USA, UK basically. Then what about the 1,40,000 basically visa you have issued, that is H1B visa to the Indian public basically? That we will discuss basically how many Indian people basically are in these all countries.